The Stargate is a unique and ancient design, distinct from those found in the Milky Way and Pegasus galaxies. Dr. Nicholas Rush theorized that this particular gate is among the earliest models ever constructed, serving as a prototype for the later gate networks. Unlike the more refined stargates of the Milky Way, which were developed and perfected by the ancients over millennia, Destiny's Stargate represents an earlier phase of their technological evolution. It shares its design with those deployed by the seed ships, which were sent ahead of Destiny to establish a vast network of stargates across the cosmos. This version is slightly smaller than its successors, but remains a crucial link between the ship and habitable worlds. One of the most striking differences between Destiny's Stargate and those found in other galaxies is its unique dialing mechanism. Instead of an inner ring rotating independently to select glyphs, the entire gate itself spins. As a result, the chevrons, normally used to indicate locked symbols in traditional gates, do not align in the same way. Instead, they function as illuminated markers activating as the gate powers up. The dialing process involves the gate spinning clockwise to position the first glyph between the gate bearing, which is located on the topmost position. Once the first glyph is in place, the gate reverses direction, spinning counterclockwise to lock the next glyph. The alternating motion continues until all necessary glyphs, including the point of origin, are locked, at which point the wormhole activates. When the connection is established, the gate bearing remains illuminated, as does the final chevron embedded in the floor. The event horizon of Destiny's Stargate also differs in appearance from its Milky Way counterparts. It exhibits a more metallic, silvery sheen with darker edges, giving it a distinct, almost liquid-like texture. As the wormhole disengages, all lights on the gate extinguish simultaneously, followed by a release of CO2 from vents on either side of the gate, perhaps a residual effect from its ancient design. Unlike stationary gates, Destiny's Stargate is governed by a highly advanced dialing program that must constantly recalculate viable destinations. Since Destiny is a mobile vessel traveling at faster than light, or FTL speeds, its point of origin changes every time it exits as FTL. Despite these complexities, the ship's advanced computer system determines and presents possible connections to the crew almost instantaneously. Perhaps the most extraordinary feature of Destiny's Stargate is its capability to receive a 9-chevron address, something unheard of in conventional Stargate travel. Discovered through the combined efforts of Eli Wallace and Dr. Rush, the 9-chevron sequence acts as a unique code that can establish a connection to Destiny from anywhere in the universe. Unlike traditional dialing procedures where the chevron represents the point of origin of the dialing gate, the 9-chevron sequence always designates Earth as the point of origin, regardless of where the dialing gate is physically located. This unique connection comes with a crucial limitation. When Destiny receives an incoming 9-chevron address, it's forced to drop out of FTL in order to establish the link. Under normal circumstances, the ship's FTL drive remains unaffected by Stargate operations, as standard 7-chevron dialing sequences only allow travel to nearby gates within range. However, the 9-chevron connection overrides this rule, compelling Destiny to halt its intergalactic voyage temporarily.